What's going on, everybody? Happy Saturday. It's your boy M4 Pat coming at you live here. Quick little POV, some quick little announcements. Sorry guys, I've been super busy. As most of you guys know, I am in real estate, so things get a little busy sometimes, but we here for the familia. So we are I've been a little behind on some videos that I do want to roll out for you guys. As some of you know, I do have the Mad Fat Boy catalyst downpipe, so I am going to be making a separate video to talk about that and how it's been, the plans that we have for the exhausts. We got some exciting upcoming modifications coming with the Adro bumper. So the evolution of this G82 is gonna be, I mean, show car insane. Like, I kid you not, guys. And I'm excited to share this with all of you. So stay tuned. Turn on the notifications on the channel so you guys get updates on what's going to be coming. We do have an event coming called Bimmer Life on May 19th here in Miami. That's going to be super dope. The car is going to be in the indoor VIP showroom, so you guys are going to be able to check that out. And I am working on a video also to go over all of the mods that we do have for the car. Thoughts, opinions, recommendations, what you guys think we should do. One of the opinions that I am looking for is regarding the Adro bumper. As you guys know, of course, my car is it's sapphire black gloss, so we're going to be making the Adro bumper gloss sapphire as well, but we're thinking of putting a two-tone on there with a satin black, and that's gonna be crazy. But it's not 100% yet. It's looking like we're gonna do that two-tone, but the Adro bumper is en route, on its way, so I'm really excited about that. Yeah, guys, so just a little POV here, and just so you guys can hear the catalyst, the Mad Fat Boy downpipe, and let's hear it. Woo, that bad boy sounds mean. We are leaning towards getting the full Valvetronic to combine it with the Fat Boy downpipe, which is gonna sound absolutely menacing. So definitely look out for that. But enough of that. Let's hear some of this downpipe. I don't know if you guys can hear those pops, but they are pretty freaking loud. It's not just burbles. Sometimes it goes pop crazy. One of the windows so that way you guys can hear it a little bit more. Let's do a little U-turn here. Right now, the current setup that we have, which again I'll be going over in depth in the modification video, is we have the Fat Boy downpipe from Mad. Shout out to Mad. Amazing. We also have their front mount intakes from Mad. Mastery of Art Performance. We have a Dynan X pipe right now currently. So it sounds good. It has like a really loud growl. On idle, it rattles, it rasps a little bit more than I would like, but the Valvetronic is gonna sound completely different. Let's see if we can hear the downpipe a little bit more. The good thing about these new exhaust and exhaust valves, of course, is that we can always shut it off with the valve controller, which again we will go over also in a modification video. Because back in the day, if you got an exhaust, that's it. That's how you're gonna sound for the duration of you having that car. So we can turn it off. I usually like to turn it off completely when I go into my neighborhood, because it's pretty obnoxious to some people, I'm sure. Sheesh. Boy. And the good thing about the setup that I have right now is that I still have my secondary, so I don't actually get that much of the smell with the downpipe. You get a little bit, but not that much. And of course, I don't have a check engine light, as you guys can see, because I do have the spacer. So put in the correct spot too, because sometimes people are getting check engine lights because you're not putting the spacer in the correct spot. The downpipe. Shout out to Rod Speed, my performance shop, who takes care of us. I'm always giving them shout outs on IG. They took care of us, made sure that we didn't have any check engine light. So, but yes, I do not have a check engine light, as you guys can see. So if you got any questions about that, let me know in the comments. Your boy will hook you up. So we're gonna do another little U-turn here. I gotta make a quick little stop at Publix. We're gonna do some burgers on the grill today, guys. Who's a big cheeseburger guy? Comment down below. I don't think I've ever met anybody who doesn't like cheeseburgers, except if you're a vegan, of course, which I totally understand. But besides that, I haven't ever met anybody, I think, that doesn't like cheeseburgers, especially homemade on the grill. So let's turn here. Ooh, this is. Woo! God damn, this car's fast, bro. Another thing, guys, with the all-wheel drive, I mean, the pull, the G's, I feel them in my cheeks, my ears, and sometimes in my teeth, depending on how hard I pull. But sometimes that boy is, you can feel those G's, man. It's insane. It's insane. We haven't even got to the midpoint of the evolution of this car, so it's going to be out of control. And I'm looking forward to all of you going through this journey with me. Alright, let's see. Shit is insane. It's a beautiful day in Florida, as usual. Hot, humid, warm. So U-turn. Those front mount intakes. I'm gonna be getting a mic specifically to put on the engine bay, so you guys can hear the front mount intakes, which is They are absurd how loud they are. I mean, though, I had the Dynan engine mount intakes, and they sounded beautiful too, but I mean, the sound difference, you can't compare it with the front mounts. The front mounts are just so freaking loud. It's insane. So we are at Publix, guys. We're gonna pick up some hamburger meat and stuff, and then I'll see you guys on the next video.